can't. See, I can't. I told you I can't. Alright, this really reaching me up. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. That's good, that's good. Oh, 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 oh. Oh yes. Oh my god, full combo. Oh wow, then I step in the full combo. Oh wow, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, 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 oh. I've gone crazy because of this shit. Alright, that's good. You can do it. You can do it. You can. I was so close. No, no, no. Hello, hello, hello. Ah, not this time. I joined the fucking hole, man. Alright. You can do it. I joined the fucking hole. Can you stop breathing a hole when you my fake or this shit? Good. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Seriously, I don't know what to do. Seriously. Ow! 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 My leg. Ah! For real. It's for real. Am I going to quit this game for what? For what? For me? To win the cash if I win this game? Huh? Am I going to win this game if I win this game? Huh? Ah! No. Ta-da! The stupid crap! Tell me. You tell me. I joined the fucking hole! Hole! The hole! Even over the 28! No, yes!
One eternity later.
And again. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. More further. This is what happened. This you add too much monster. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm going to jump more higher. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. Can you stop? I stepping on the monster. I am not giving up that. Never ever shut down this game. Kiss my mother ass. You have love to me fucking yeah. What I say? You understand what I say? You stupid idiot. What you just say? Do not give up wherever you had, wherever you feel, wherever you're dead. Ah! You look happy. You might look happy, but I might look angry. Come. I can keep on trying doing this shit. Am I supposed to do all this shit on myself? Huh? Am I doing all this shit? Huh? Is that for you or is that for me? Isn't it? Huh? How am I supposed to do that shit? Oh my god, you're really making my butt boy. This shit. Okay, I'm done. Okay, guys, I think I should end this video. I hope you enjoy. People like we did. Make sure you do subscribe me. Stupid game. Yep. I hope you guys enjoy. People like we did. Make sure you do subscribe to me channel. And I see you in the next video of the stupid cat Mario. I can't do it. The last level I can't do it. Alright. Make a T pose and make a shout. Yeah!